So I've had a few requests to do a quick undoing, or actually a bit of an action video on this Milwaukee Fuel M12 CIW 12. It's a 1/2 inch drive, impact wrench, compact little unit, running the 4 amp hour M12 battery on this one, which is fully charged. I just put it off the charging dock, and let's see if she'll undo them all. There you go, that was on full power mode. They haven't been off for probably around 10,000 Ks, and the poor vehicle doesn't get driven much, so probably 3 months, 4 months. As you see, zips them off without any real headaches. Now, that's slow and controllable. You can actually ease them back on with the rattle gun. Obviously you always check them before you drive the vehicle. It's probably not something a professional would do to a customer's vehicle. But for me at home, on my own vehicle, I see no reason why not. As long as you're see, you notice straight away that it's doing up, and see how it's not cross-threading, misaligning, whatever. No different to getting it in there and doing it with your fingers. The problem with these Ford Falcon wheels is they run a massive negative offset. Sorry, positive offset. And, yeah, they cause issues with the depth of the nuts. You can see the depth of the hub in there. There you go. Milwaukee Fuel 12 volt. So it's M12 CIW 12. Meant to have 160 Newton meters. I personally chose the friction ring model, not the pin detent. Friction ring is my preference. Pin detent, you've actually got to physically get something in that hole, pop it off. And that's not going to fall off or anything while you're using it. Maybe while you're impacting and pulling away, but look, your sockets get sloppy after a while anyway because you put that much pressure on them. As you can see, still fully charged. You could easily do the whole car on and off, no worries with this. Thanks for watching.